Landice. Introducing the Move Series, Genesis M2 treadmill. In this video, we will show you how to replace the console. Before you begin, please make sure you read the service manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. The following tools are recommended for this procedure. Begin by turning the machine off and unplugging the power cord. Make sure to allow 3 to 5 feet of space at the front of the treadmill to properly access the console hardware and wiring connections. Next, remove the tablet, phone holder, located on top of the monitor. Pull out, and place the holder aside for now. After removing the holder, locate the back of the monitor. There are 2 handrail finishing covers, left and right, that need to be removed. To remove the covers, push and slide off the covers. Set them aside for now. Removing the covers will expose the handrail mounting bolts with flat washers. Using an M8 Allen wrench, remove the bolts and washers. Set the hardware aside for reassembly. Next, locate the wire harness retainer holding the console wires. Unlock the wire harness retainer. Take care not to cut the retainer as it will be reused to secure the wiring upon replacing the console. With the buckle wire retainer disconnected, unplug all the wires, then carefully cut and remove the zip ties located closest to the harness connection joints. After disconnecting the wires, locate and remove the 2 remaining console bolts, located below the pedestal base using an M8 Allen wrench or M8 Allen socket. Remove the bolts and set them aside for reassembly. Slowly pull out and remove the console. You are now ready to install your new console. The console has 5 connectors, 2 contact heart rate connectors, 1 remote console connection, 1 main harness connection, and 1 safety key connection. To ensure the proper treadmill function, all connections must be made according to the matching connectors. Take your replacement console and reattach it the same way it was removed in reverse order. Slowly slide the console into place. Reinstall all parts in reverse order. Connect the cables. Each cable should easily connect. After the cables are connected, lock the wire harness retainer, and install new zip ties as needed. After all parts are reinstalled, plug in the treadmill, and verify that all safety and operational features are working properly. Congratulations! Replacing the console is now complete. Please inspect the machine to ensure that all fasteners are tight, and components are properly assembled. Do not use until the treadmill has been fully reassembled and inspected for correct performance in accordance with the service manual. Visit us online for more Genesis M2 support videos. Enjoy our Move series, Genesis M2 treadmill. Brought to you by Landice.